National Forest. I am hunting in a new location. This place is sick. Hopefully today will be a day we get a deer. Alright, I'll be back. There's some droppings on some litter, but that's old. And way down there is Outdoors with Jim and What's Poppin' with Jaden, or A Life with Jaden, whatever he's changed it to nowadays. Jaden, what's your channel's name? What's Poppin' with Jaden? Did you hear it first, guys? You don't know it's on channel. There's Outdoors with Jim and Kyle Outdoors. I think it's Jaden there too. What do you want to do? It's up to you. You want to go that way more? We're going to go back towards A. Good morning, Outdoorsians. Kyle with Outdoors with Jim and Jaden's Live. Day 2 of hunting in Ocala National Forest. Howdy. It is dark outside. This is the first time we've been out to the woods. Early to our spot. We got a guy in front of us that's got some dogs in the cage for dogs. He's gonna be chasing some deer out. Hopefully they chase them our way. Anything's possible. Hopefully we get a deer. They say Ocala National Forest is full of deer. I think they all got it mistaken for beer. But alright. No. See you out in the woods. Hey guys, so if you ever want to go deer hunting, Ocala National Forest is not the place to be. We're just exercising. No, but it is pretty out here. There's a lot of doe out here. We didn't see any bucks today, but we saw 6 doe. Let me see what doe season. I don't know why I said that. Let's see where Manny B is. That poor kid. He's tired. He's tired. He's not a morning person. Alright, we are done for today. Gotta head back to St. Pete. It's little man's birthday tomorrow. His is gonna be on the 30th, and mine is December 16th. So if you want to give me a gift or anything, it's a P.O. Box number. I don't have a P.O. Box number yet. But alright guys. I'll hit you back up at the house. We're gonna have some hot dogs for lunch. That man tired. Oh, see ya. Bye.